Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're just going to be washing the bike and boots right now, but we're going up to Baffle Creek to my other property, which I was already said in that other video. But yeah, so this is the day before we're heading up. So I'm going to wash the bike and I'll come in with you after. I'll just flip the camera and show you the bike right now. Here she is. It's not too bad. A little bit dirty, but I just may as well clean it. May as well. Got nothing else to really do, so clean her up and clean my boots. They're all dirty. And yeah, we'll come back in with you after it's clean. Alright everyone, so she's all clean. Didn't clean it too well, but we just gave her a quick clean, so let's see if she fires up. We'll oil the chain here, just put the fuel on here, so see if she fires up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually do 5, but yeah, I'll just do 5, especially if it's cold. I like to just start it up after every time washing, just to get any water in the exhaust. G'day everyone, so it's the morning of heading up to Baffle Creek. Got the bikes on here, I'll just flip the camera and show you. Alright, so we got my 125 and Dad's 125. Bruno the dog up there, I'll show you him. How you going? He's ready to rock and roll. He's ready to go. Yeah, see you when we're up there, and yeah, might go for a quick ride, maybe. But yeah, see you when up there, guys. We made it. The creek that goes into Baffle Creek. Truck going right now. Oh, and a car. Alright, let's go. It's raining at the moment, which is a bit sad. Oh, it should go away. She's full. Wouldn't be good if I dropped the phone right now. We'll see you at the house. Alright guys, we made it up here. It's raining, which sucks, but nothing's going to stop me from going for a quick ride. I'm not sure, we might be going fishing tomorrow. But this weather might be deterring us a bit. We're not sure if we are going to go yet. Oh. It's been a long time since we've been up here. Finally here, I'm happy about it. It's been like 6 months, so we're going to go explore as much as we can. Well, it's all really wet right now, but yeah, do a quick video. The next videos will probably be all of the riding and fishing if we go fishing and all that stuff. Oh, it's wet now. Oh, it's definitely wet. Definitely wet. Don't want to slip in that rut off to the right. Okay, there's a rut over here. Just drive in the middle of it. Woo! I do like rainy weather, but I also don't. Let's have a look up here. We haven't been here for so long. See what's changed. See if this creek's all washed out or what. Whatever's happened. And I still want to get the spider web there. Probably going to go pretty slow on the first run because I don't want to get taken out by spider webs. That tree there. Let's see, I wonder if this creek's going to be all washed out. I actually kind of hope it is, it'll be cool. Oh, it's slippery as. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh. It's full of water, that's for sure. It's got a fair bit of water in it. Hopefully it's not too deep. Oh, it's not deep at all. I swear I remember. What's a fuel drum doing up here? It's got stuff in it too. We'll grab that in a second. Woohoo! Oh, definitely wet. Oh, that's all sprouting. Oh, I'm so happy we're back up here, guys. That fence, or we could just drive straight up there, probably to the road. There's fuel, I think, but we'll come get that later. Head back through here. Okay, let's go this way. Yeah, we'll see. I think the driveway is very slippery right now. We'll see how we go. I'm not going to go super fast because I don't want to get taken out. Let's see how deep over here is. I'm just going to sit down because I don't want to fully die. Oh, that's not even bad. Just go stacking gear and just cruise along in here. Alright, let's go down this trail over here. Last time the sand was crazy. I think the sand will be even more crazy now. See if we can wheelie with it when it's all this wet. It's very hard to get it up. My tyre's pretty well stuffed too. That's not going to be helping. Oh ho ho ho. Doesn't look too much different, I don't think. Yeah, still all sandy. Oh, look at this. It's cool. Oh, whoa. Oh, heaps of sand there, been all piled up. Oh, this looks pretty soft. We're gonna have to get into it. I'll go second gear. That wasn't actually too bad. Just didn't want to get stuck. Why don't we go check out this other trail over here? Oh, see if we can get around this. We have a trail over here that goes in here, a little trail. Oh, that's sharp. But it's all big log, not too big, but it's all logs and stuff. So it just goes in there. I'll probably wait till it's dry to try that. Oh, whoa. Seems to be clogging up with oil a little bit more than down at Toowoomba. Let's just go. Alright, we'll wonder how wet this will be. We'll just go second gear. Let's go. Just cruise up it. I'm not going to go flying or anything. I don't want to... Oh, that stick. Yeah, I'll just probably lug up it kind of thing. Because I don't know if anything's cropped up. I haven't been up here yet. The first time I've been up here for a fair while. So, yeah, it's very overgrown. A lot of trees down. Okay, yeah, from memory it gets a little bit harder up here. I used to be hard to get up here. It's been super easy so far. There's all the loose rocks are a bit annoying. Oh, the loose rocks are very annoying. Oh, it looks like so much flatter than I remember. I'll just go back to first. I swear this used to be like crazy difficult. I swear, this used to be so steep. I swear that used to be like that steep. It used to be like super steep, but apparently I just wasn't a good rider back then. Whew. Yeah, feels like it's clogging up a bit. Hopefully I don't foul a plug. Haven't fouled a plug for ages. We'll just go back down and probably go for one more rip down the driveway. Maybe call it a day. I'll do maybe a little bit more. But the rain has seemed to eased up, which is good. Just go second gear and just cruise down it. Ooh. Ooh. Hope your day's going good. Ooh. Ooh, just barely touched that with my helmet. Doesn't seem to be running the best up here. Oh, well, I'm not too sure. We'll see if it's clogged up or if it fouls. Hopefully it doesn't foul when we get into it down here on the driveway. Hopefully it's fine. I'm sure it'll be alright. Even if it does flow a bit and we're a bit not running the best, we'll just have to ride. I'll just have to ride on the pipe a bit more, but that's alright. I usually do ride on the pipe way more than this. I'm just taking it easy right now because it's all wet and I can't remember how it was like, and I haven't been up here for ages. Yeah, it was clogged up a bit. It was a little bit clogged up. Alright, okay, we gotta go slow around here. Okay, this is a bit annoying. Ow. That's not gonna work. Put that over. Ugh. Oh. Don't seem to be going. Ow, it's sharp. Just gotta go. Okay, there we go. Looks like there's a bit of kangaroo trail or something here. It's annoying when there's all trees down. You can get through these. Oh, that's sharp. I'm not going through there. Oh! Alright. Oh. There we. Oh. Ugh. But yeah, we're going to be going down Low Mead. I'm excited for that. It's an awesome place to ride down there. Oh, a bit sandy there. Yeah, it's an awesome place to ride. Oh, I've got all sand in my boots now. So I'll be wearing socks anyway. See if she's clogged up. Not really. It's not even running bad. Tad different than it was at home. It's just fouling a little bit easier, but it's still fine. Oh, that's so cool. I need to do the mowing. We'll go on the right side and see if it's any different with the depth of the water or whatnot. Chuck her in second and just cruise along. That's deep. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video of us coming up here in a quick little ride video. But yeah, stick around, make sure to subscribe because we're gonna have a heap more videos coming up very, very soon. Probably try to do 2 a week if I can. The internet's a bit iffy up here, but we'll see if we can get them out. Try my best. Try my best, and yeah, hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Try to share this with a couple people. And yeah, we'll see you in the next adventure, guys. So ride safe. See you soon.